When we hear the word artificial intelligence, we think of ChatGPT, robot, and smart machines. But AI did not start with technology. AI started a human fear and a human dream. To understand artificial intelligence, we need to go back time when computer very slow, weak, and extremely limited. This is not just the history of machine. This is the story of how humans try to understand their own intelligence. In the 1940s and 50s, computers were only calculator. They would follow instruction, but they could not think. During World War II, a mathematician named Alan Turing worked on code-breaking machines. While working on this machine, he asked a dangerous question. If machine can follow rules perfectly, and human also follow rules while thinking, then what is the real difference between a human mind and machine? So, Alan Turing did not try to build a smart machine first. Instead, he asked how we even decide if something is intelligent. He proposed a simple test. If a human talks to a machine and cannot tell whether the response are from a human or a machine, then the machine can be considered intelligent. This idea shocked people. It suggested the intelligence could be copied. In 1956, a group of scientists met in the United States. They believed human intelligence could be recreated inside machines. This is where the term artificial intelligence was born. The scientists were extremely confident. They believed problems like language, vision, and reasoning would be solved in just a few years. This confidence would later become their biggest mistake. Early AI systems failed badly. Computers were too slow. They had almost no memory, and there was no real-world data. AI worked only in perfect conditions. The moment reality became messy, AI failed. Funding stopped. Trust was lost. This period became known as the AI winter. AI did not become powerful because scientists suddenly became smarter. AI became powerful because the world changed. The internet created massive amount of data. Computers became faster and cheaper. New learning algorithms were developed. For the first time, machine could learn from experience instead of following fixed rules. This marked the rise of machine learning and deep learning. Today's AI feels intelligent because it is trained on massive data. It does not think like humans. It predicts patterns. Tools like ChatGPT and Gemini do not understand meaning, they understand probability. This is why modern AI feels powerful but is not conscientious. The most important lesson from AI history is this. Progress is slow, then sudden. AI took decades of failure to reach today's success. And the future of AI will depend not just on technology, but on how responsibility humans choose to use it. So, when someone asks where artificial intelligence come from, remember this. AI did not come from machines. It come from humans trying to understand themselves.